Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sanj and I'm going to share with you how I make rice water for my hair growth. Throughout my hair growth journey, I've been using many DIY hair masks in which I am including rice water occasionally. Too much protein in your hair can make your hair dry and brittle. So whenever you use rice water as a treatment, do make sure that you apply a lot of moisturizer after you have rinsed it or shampooed it, whichever way you prefer. First of all, wash the rice properly so you get rid of all the dirt and then swish it until the water turns cloudy. Once you see the water has turned slightly white and cloudy, transfer it into a mason jar or any glass jar that you have and then add some rice as well in it. What you need is fermented rice water. This rice water will help restore pH level of your hair, which contributes to adding health and elasticity to each hair strand. This fermented rice water will make your hair absorb a lot of protein, which means it's also called protein overload. So it can make your hair slightly more drier and brittle. If you do not overdo and keep the balance, I'm sure you will see the good results. Now to combat the smell of fermented rice water, I'm going to add lemongrass and orange peels in it. You can also add rosemary, dry rosemary, so that you will increase the hair growth benefits. Now leave this mixture overnight for about 24 hours and then you can transfer this jar into a fridge. You can store it in fridge and I sometimes even freeze it so that it lasts me longer. Now I also do this is once I'm ready to apply this water, I warm it up slightly because I don't like that cold feeling when the weather is really cold. And then I would spray it on my scalp and hair, leave it on for about 30 minutes or until it's slightly dried. And then I can also apply a normal DIY hair mask. This way, you're treating your hair with rice water and also having a lot of moisturized ingredients in a DIY mask, so you get the benefits of both in one wash. After this, I would leave this hair mask for about an hour and then wash as normal. I normally use sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners, and then after that, I apply a leave-in conditioner or a hair oil. This way my hair will not feel dry and brittle because of the overdone use of rice water, which I don't normally do. I always limit the amount of time I apply rice water on my hair is just once in 2 weeks, which allows me to use other DIY hair masks within those time. Other DIY hair masks also helps you with your hair growth, making your hair soft, more manageable. And of course, all these DIY hair masks have helped me discover that my curls are so natural. I don't even need to use heat tools or heat appliances. So guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends and family so they can benefit as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.